2, 3, funk it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
Hey guys, Ange here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be filming an updated how to make clearings tutorial because I am using a different clay now and I use a different method in baking. So I just want to share that to you guys and keep you guys updated in how I make my clearings. So as you can see, I am wearing my handmade clearings right now. And please excuse the quality and the lighting of this video. I know it's so bad. It's like 5 p.m. and it's getting darker. So yeah, there's nothing I can do about it. So anyways, in my last video about how to make clearings, the beginner guide, I still get a lot of questions like what clay do you use? What gloss do you use to make them shiny? How many minutes do you bake? And where to buy polymer clays? How do you make them hard? So yeah, I still get those questions and I'm making this video to answer those questions again. So the first question is, what clay do you use in making clay rings? So you need a polymer clay, guys. You can buy polymer clays in Shopee, Lazada, in your marketplace, in Facebook. So I mentioned in my last video that I bought my polymer clay in the marketplace in Facebook. But now I bought a polymer clay in Shopee and it's 24 colors. So yes, I bought the colored ones now. So I don't need to paint them now. And it has 24 colors and that's what I used in making these ones, these rings right here. I also made some clay rings now using those colored clays. So the next question is, how do you make them shiny? What gloss do you use? So guys, I just use a nail polish, you know, that colorless. You can use them, guys. You can use nail polish, but it kinda smells nail polish, but the smell will go away naman eventually. But that's up to you if you want to use nail polish in your rings, or if you don't want to put nail polish on them, you just like how they look, then that's also okay. It's really up to you if you put nail polish or not. So how many minutes do you bake your clay rings? It really depends on the brand of your clay, guys. When I bought mine in Shopee, like in the description below sa product, they said na ano daw 20 to 40 minutes, ganon. And then chill temperature, yan, may nakalagay naman, just read lang. So how do you harden your clay? So I know I said in my last video that I use an oven toaster to harden my clay, but now I do not use an oven toaster anymore. So short story, my mom told me that our electric bill got higher and she told me that it was because of the oven toaster now, because it consumes a lot of electricity. So I searched up in YouTube about other ways to bake a polymer clay without an oven and oven toaster, and luckily I found one that is very easy, and then I tried it and it worked really well. Like, I really like the outcome of the clay rings better than when I used my oven toaster. Like when I used this new method, I really like the outcome of the clay rings than when I use an oven toaster. So I'm really thankful that I found this new method, and I'm really thankful for my mom for telling me that I should stop using the oven toaster, because if she hadn't told me that, I would still be using an oven toaster and the outcome of the clay rings would still be the same and would not get any better. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, if you want to know what new method of baking is this, then please keep on watching.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah? No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know.
And it goes a little something like.
My heart is sad and lonely.
Yo.
I have for I have for I have
Yo.
So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope that you learn from this video, and I hope that you start that clearing business of yours. So don't forget to follow my Instagram shop at angel.queerings and check that out, and also follow my Instagram account at Angie Pearson. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video until the end, and I hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye!